I'm fascinated, guy, with the people that build stuff, period. And then stuff that works like cars and tools.
So I'm working on the differential. We have to set up the differential just the way it's going to be when we're done with the car. So this is the center cross member. It's to hold all the four-length suspension components on. And then this is the drive shaft tube. These are exhaust pass-throughs.
These guys that are building this, some of them, the music they listen to.
What do you listen to?
Right now I'm listening to Sword and Scale. It's like a true crime podcast. This one's particularly kind of creepy.
One of the guys building the chassis, he likes welding.
This is TIG welding. 2 hands required. Like MIG welding, it's just 1 hand required. It takes a little bit more time to get a weld down. It's more precise. I take pride in my welding.
You know, getting metal so hot that it forms a bond between other metal, sounds fascinating to me.
Because this is a completely new chassis to us, all our parts have to be developed before we put them on the car. So there's some trial and error and just R&D.
I was not given much direction up front, so I pretty much just resorted to asking random questions.
So how important is math?
So important. That's what I use every day. I wish I would have paid more attention in school. I wish I would have liked it more, you know what I mean? So these are temporary uprights to hold the differential housing. I mocked this up at ride height, so what the differential would be at when the car's on the floor and done, that's what I have to mock up in this chassis jig. This is what this space is.
And there's something about the, especially in the area that we live in, these people, they're making a living doing this, and there's guys that, men and women that build stuff. And you really do appreciate the engineering that goes into the manufacturing process. There's something wonderfully creative about watching these guys work. It just reminds me that there's other stuff going on besides tweeting.